Building a website with WordPress in 2026 is much easier than it used to be because modern hosting, AI-assisted design, block, editing, and no-code tools now handle most technical work. 1. Decide what type of website you want. Before touching WordPress, define the goal. Business website. Portfolio. Blog. News site. Online store. Membership. Community. Course platform. Booking. Service site. AI tool or SaaS landing page. This affects theme choice. Plugins. Hosting requirements. SEO setup. Performance needs. 2. Buy a domain name. A domain is your website address. Examples: yourbusiness.com, yourname.co.uk, studio.ai. Popular registrars: Namecheap, Cloudflare registrar. In 2026, people prefer short names, brandable words, AI-friendly names, .com, .co.uk, .io, .ai domains. 3. Choose modern WordPress hosting. Avoid cheap overloaded hosting from older tutorials. In 2026, good hosting should include automatic backups, staging environments, CDN, AI malware protection, server-side caching, one-click WordPress install. Strong options: SiteGround, Kinsta, Cloudways, Rocket.net, Hostinger for beginners, Hostinger or SiteGround. For professional business sites, Kinsta or Rocket.net. 4. Install WordPress. Most hosts now install WordPress automatically. You'll get admin login, SSL certificate, database setup, basic security. Your login usually becomes 5. Learn the 2026 WordPress interface. Modern WordPress is based around block editor Gutenberg, full site editing FSE, pattern libraries, AI content tools, visual editing, the alt classic editor. Approach is mostly outdated. Key concepts. Feature: what it does, blocks, drag and drop content. Patterns: pre-made page sections. Templates: full page layouts, global styles. Site-wide design settings, site editor, edit headers, footers, pages visually. 6. Pick a modern theme in 2026. Lightweight block themes dominate. Good choices: Cadence WP, Generatepress. Modern themes focus on speed, accessibility, mobile responsiveness, core web vitals, block compatibility. 7. Use AI to speed up design. 2026 WordPress workflows heavily use AI. Common AI uses: generate layouts, write copy, create images, SEO optimization, automatic translations, generate facts, build product descriptions. Popular AI integrations: Jetpack AI Assistant, Elementor AI, Div AI. But always edit AI output. Optimize for your brand voice. Verify facts manually. 8. Build your core pages. most sites need. Asterisk home, asterisk about, asterisk services, asterisk blog. Asterisk contact, asterisk privacy policy, asterisk terms if needed. For businesses, asterisk testimonials, asterisk case studies. Asterisk booking page, asterisk FAQ for stores. Product pages, asterisk cart, asterisk checkout, asterisk shipping policy. 10. Optimize for mobile first. In 2026, most traffic is mobile. Check asterisk font sizes, asterisk spacing, asterisk image loading. Asterisk button sizes, asterisk page speed, asterisk navigation. Use asterisk responsive blocks, asterisk lazy loading, asterisk compressed images. Asterisk modern formats web BABIF. 11. Learn modern SEO. 2026 SEO is different. SEO in 2026 is asterisk AI search optimized, asterisk entity focused, asterisk topical authority focused, asterisk experience based. Important, asterisk fast loading, asterisk helpful content, asterisk structured data, asterisk author credibility, asterisk fact sections, asterisk conversational writing, asterisk semantic keywords. Also optimize for asterisk AI search engines, asterisk voice search, asterisk Google AI overviews. Useful tools, asterisk Google Search Console, asterisk Google Analytics. 12. Add security and privacy. You now need asterisk SSL certificate, asterisk cookie notice UKU, asterisk spam protection, asterisk backups, asterisk malware scanning, asterisk strong passwords. 13. Speed optimization matters more than ever. In 2026, slow sites lose. Rankings quickly optimize asterisk image compression, asterisk caching, asterisk CDN, asterisk fonts, asterisk JavaScript loading, asterisk unused plugins. Target, asterisk under 2-second load time, asterisk HighCore Web Vital scores. 14. Launch checklist. Before going live, content, asterisk check spelling, asterisk fix broken links, asterisk test forms, asterisk add legal pages. SEO, asterisk sitemap enabled, asterisk titles, meta descriptions, asterisk indexing turned on. Performance, asterisk mobile testing, asterisk image optimization, asterisk caching enabled. Security, asterisk backups working, asterisk admin username changed, asterisk to FA enabled. 15. What most people use in 2026. Typical modern WordPress stack. 16. Biggest 2026 trends in WordPress. AI-assisted websites. AI now helps asterisk create pages, asterisk optimize SEO, asterisk generate images, asterisk personalize content. Headless WordPress, advanced developers use, asterisk WordPress backend, asterisk React, Next.js frontend. Useful for asterisk says, asterisk high-speed apps, asterisk enterprise sites. No-code plus low-code, most small businesses no longer hire developers for simple websites. Performance-first design, minimalist, fast websites. Outperform bloated designs. 17. Best way to learn WordPress. In 2026, good official resources. Asterisk WordPress.org learn, asterisk webinar, asterisk cadence tutorials. YouTube channels, asterisk webinar, asterisk WPCRAFTR, asterisk Jamie WP, asterisk Ferdy Korpershoek. Simple beginner path, recommended. If you're brand new, 1. Buy hosting plus domain. 2. Install WordPress. 3. Install Cadence theme. 4. Import starter template. 5. Edit text images. 6. Install Rank Math Plus WP Rocket. 7. Launch. You can realistically build a professional site in 1 to 3 days now. What has changed since older WordPress tutorials? Old tutorials focused on asterisk coding, asterisk panel, asterisk manual setup, asterisk complicated builders. 2026 WordPress focuses on asterisk visual editing, asterisk AI workflows, asterisk performance, asterisk mobile first design, asterisk SEO automation, asterisk no-code customization,